Hi, here we have, suppose you have a currency named Miso in 3 denominations, 1 Miso, 10 Miso and 15 Misos. In how many ways can you pay a bill of 107 Misos? Okay, so let's say you pay X notes or X coins of 1 Miso, Y coins of 10 Misos and Z coins of 50 Misos, such that the total payment that you make is 107. So we have X coins of 1 Miso, the total value will be X Misos, Y coins of 10 Misos each, so the total value will be 10 into Y Misos, and Z coins of 50 Misos, the total value will be 50 into Z. This is the total value which should be equal to 107 over here, right? Now what are the possible values that X, Y and Z can take? This is what we need to figure out. The possible values of X, Y and Z. Right? Now if you look at Z here, because the coefficient of Z is highest, so let's look at Z first. What are the possible values that Z can take? Z can be either 0, right? Z can be either 1 or Z can be either 2. Z cannot be 3, because if Z is 3, then you have 107 minus 150. X plus 10y will come out to be negative, but that cannot be the case. X plus 10y can be least 0, it cannot be negative. Hence Z can only take these 3 possible values, 0, 1 and 2 over here, right? So let's start with 2. If Z is equal to 2, then what happens is 50 into 2 is 100, 107 minus 100 is 7. So we get X plus 10 into Y is equal to 7. Similarly, if Z is equal to 1, then 50 into 1 is 50, 107 minus 50 is 57. So we get here X plus 10y is equal to 57, and if this is 0, then we get X plus 10y is equal to 107. Okay, these are the 3 possible equations in X and Y that we will get for different values of Z. Fine. Now let's look at this part here. If X plus 10y is 7 and we know X, Y and Z, they have to be whole numbers. They can be either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 and so on, right? So if X plus 10y is 7, the only possible value of Y is 0, because if Y is 1 or more than 1, X will come out to be negative. So if Z is 2, Y has to be 0, X has to be 7. So how many possible values do we get here? We get only one possible value, right? Now here, if X plus 10y is 57, what are the possible values Y can take? Y can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Y cannot be 6, because if Y is 6, then 10 into 6 is 60 and 57 minus 60 is minus 3. Then X will come out to be negative, but that cannot be the case, right? So here Y will take 6 possible values, and if Y is 0, X will be 57, if Y is 1, X will be 47, so on till if Y is 5, X will be 57 minus 57. So from here we get a total of 6 possible values, right? And by the same logic over here, Y can take values of 0, 1, 2, 3 so on till a maximum of 10, right? Y can be 0, it can go up till a maximum of 10. 10 into 10 is 100, 107 minus 100 is 7. That will be the value of X when Y is 10. If Y is 11, then we'll have 10 into 11 is 110, then X will come out to be negative, but that cannot be the case. If Y is 0, X will be 107. So X will also have corresponding values for Y. So how many possible values are there for Y here? From 0 to 10, there are 11 possible values. So these are the possible values of X, Y and Z. 11 plus 6 is 17, 17 plus 1 is 18. So there are 18 possible combinations of 1 Miso, 10 Miso and 50 Miso coins or denominations to pay 107 Misos. Thank you.